Seems that I underestimated the amount of stuff that you have to do to set up IntelliJ. So let me try to do it, and I'm doing it on a Mac. There will be two things that I missed. Eventually it will appear. I already had it. I had to delete my installation, but I am not caring and setting defaults. And maybe sometime I will get this. Okay, so I'm gonna open a project, and I'm gonna open the project A0, on which I've already done. I have it in a different place. So I have documents, TMP projects, and A0. I have already run Gradlu idea. So let me open the project, and this is with a completely new IntelliJ, and there will be two steps that I missed. The first one, and you will see, is telling me project SDK is not defined. Well, it tells me this stuff. I tell it not care. And this is even if you did that. This is because the first SDK you set up, you have to. These two don't matter on Link Gradle project, and the VCS setup you can go figure out or not. This plugin will be important, and this setup SDK will be important. So configure plus and JDK, and you need to go find it. I've already done it, so my Java remembers. On my file explorer remembers. On a Mac, it will be under library, Java somewhere, library, then Java virtual machines, and then it will have whichever ones you have, and 131 is the latest one that I have, so that's what I'm gonna set it up to. And then it should get all this stuff, and you just say okay. Notice how it wasn't able to find string or system.out. Eventually, once it finishes doing this stuff, it will find it, and they will stop being read. Maybe. The other thing that we are gonna do is configure plugins. Here is giving me as a plugin suggestion. I'm gonna show you another way to go, but this is one way. So you can do configure plugins, Cucumber for Java, that's the one that you need, and say okay. It tells you that it requires other plugin, Gherkin, so just say yes. And so it goes, downloads all of that stuff, and tells you restart IntelliJ, restart, and that will also fix this just because of time. It's not, if you don't restart, then that string will eventually become not read and things like that. And it is coming. Let me tell it to stop showing tips. This will be if you want to not use Git from the command line. I always do because I get confused with the IDE. Now everything should work. You should have a way to run from here, and also this will not be read. There will not be errors here, and you can come here, add feature, add.feature, right click on it, and there should be a way to run it. Okay, there should be. It's still not getting this thing. is still indexing. Nah, this is VCS root. I don't care. Ignore. But it is still indexing. This is what needs to finish for everything to work. It's not even showing me this main as something that I can run with. I'm okay. I'm ignoring this. Now it shows, right? That indexing takes 5 minutes or so. Now I can run this, and that was for the JDK. Maybe. I can run it. You will always get this warning. It's some weird IntelliJ stuff. You can also now come and run from here. And life is good.